you speak English? You have time to talk with me? Do you speak English?
A little bit.
You want to try to talk with me? Okay, thank you so much. So what are you doing here?
We just visit the ITB for a benchmarking. It's like university visit. Yes, campus visit.
And it's like more like free time.
Yeah.
for
Today
us.
is like just full of holiday.
Full of
Yeah,
holiday.
we went to Tangkuban Perahu. And now Braga.
Okay, so where are you from, by the way?
We're from Surabaya.
I didn't expect that. You are from Surabaya. Okay, so I thought maybe you are from Bandung, but yeah. Because
like a Bandung.
yes, it is similar, kinda. Because I didn't hear you speak Indonesian, so I cannot notice. Okay, your accent. Okay. So what do you feel being here in Bandung? Do you like it?
I really like it. Bandung is so cold.
Yeah.
And Surabaya is so hot, right? So
This is your first day?
yes.
Yeah. No.
It's our second day here.
Oh, second day.
Our second day.
Oh, you forgot because you enjoy the time.
Sorry.
Exactly. Yeah.
All right, so there are some of the interesting city in Indonesia, but why did you want to come here to Bandung?
Because I heard a lot of things about Bandung, such as Braga, Asia Africa. So
I think Bandung it has different vibes from other cities.
Oh, what kind of vibes?
Romantic.
Romantic. Why? You have the same the same answer. Oh, romantic.
Yeah. Like you. Like right now, you know.
hopeless romantic.
No.
Yes, you are not.
All right. So, are you a student of university?
Yeah.
Okay. What major? Are you a classmate?
Yeah, we're from mathematics.
Mathematics. Oh my God. It is a hard subject for me. Okay. For some of the people, it is a hard subject. You know.
It's not
What
that
did you
hard,
find?
Actually,
Oh, it's not that hard,
Yeah.
really. It's hard just onto subjects like analysis and algebra, but other than analysis and algebra, it's fine. I think. Yeah. So I still enjoy.
Yeah, but for the person who didn't love math, it's actually really hard. So yeah.
Just like I do, I think. Because the three of you speak English so well. So how did you learn your English? I want to know about it.
I don't know. Maybe I went to Kampung Inggris like 3 months ago.
3 months.
Yeah, for just 2 weeks because my mom.
Your mom supported you. You like to speak with other friends from outside of Indonesia in English? So how did you learn your English? Because you speak so well.
Actually, I'm not speaking really well, but I ever like learned when I went to a course when I was in elementary school. But after that, I never practicing my English because of that. My English going so bad because I'm never practicing.
You are not bad, to be honest. You are so great, you know.
Sometimes I forgot about the vocab, like what must I speak in English with this Indonesian word. Sometimes I forgot this.
It is totally normal because I still get lagging as well when I have to speak in English. So that's why I make my content. So how about you? How did you learn your English?
I think I have a really bad grammar and tenses too. I had really bad grammar and tenses, but I like watching a YouTube vlog all in English, and they added subtitle there, so
English subtitle.
so I can read and hear both, so I can learn from them and their accent too. I like their accent, and I like reading a novel, and I had both an English novel, so it really helps me a lot.
Okay. I haven't asked about your name. What's your name?
I'm Teresia.
I'm Rara.
Rara.
Diana.
Rara. Pronounce it
Rara. In Indonesia, we have to pronounce it Rara, right? And I am Rizka. Rizka. Okay, so do you mind if I upload our conversation on my TikTok, English on the Street?
It's totally fine.
Okay. You want to check it now or later? English on the Street. Have you heard about it before? My channel?
I think I will check it right now.
English on the Street. Just say hi to me and then I will follow you, okay?
Oh.
Is it DMS? Yes. That one. Okay. Enjoy Bandung, okay? See you again next time. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.